Good evening, dear students. Now, based on our today's experience, we have tried to find some of the solutions while attempting the question papers. The first thing that we came across was if the paper is refreshed, all the previous answers were gone. So, how to do it? I am explaining you. Now, let us consider myself as a student of class 10 and I am filling the same paper as you have done today. Name of the student, let us say I am writing my name. Let us say I am in class 10th B. I have the general instructions. I have to click next. Now, this is my section A. Section A, B, C, D, E all are in one go now. Let us come to question number 1. Name the software which is used to access the internet. Let us say, for example, I am clicking this Google search. Second answer, let us say my answer is packet. Now let us say for question number 3 it is span. Let us say for question number 4 the answer is a hub. Now we know that in this paper we have 31 questions. What I'm going to do is, as soon as I complete 5 or 6 questions, let us say I'm completing my 6 questions, what I can do is I can go at the end and I can submit it. I will get a link which will say edit your response. Now even if I refresh my page, or even if I close it out and then start again, my all answers that I have already submitted will be there. Let me check. Edit your response. You can see my name, it is already there. You can see the class and section, it is already there. Clicking on next, you can see that the answers that I have marked, they are already there. So it's all up to you. If you want to submit your form in between, you can. If you want to edit your answers, you can. I will suggest you that in a question paper of 30 to 31 questions, submit your form after every 7 or 8 questions. This will help you how? Let us say, for example, I don't know question number 8 and 9. I'll come to 10. I will write my answer. Let us say no. Then again, I am not aware of few questions. I can leave it blank. And if you feel that you have already attempted 15, 16 questions, you can again come at the end and you can submit. Again, you will find that your answers have been submitted. After that, again you can come to this edit your response and you can edit your all answers n number of times within the time period. If the time duration is 50 minutes, you can edit your forms in this particular time in how many times you want. Again, let us check whether my all responses were saved or not. Yes, my responses are already saved. I answered question number 10 as no. I can find my answer here. I can refresh my page. I can close my page. Within that stipulated time, my responses will be saved as soon as I click submit. I hope this will be a great relief to you, as your all answers will be here only. Now, uh, as you all know that tomorrow we are going to have the practice again on these revision papers. Questions may or may not change. The aim is that you should learn how to submit your answers without any problem. Now let us say for I have answered all the questions from question number 1 to question number 29. My suggestion will be, as soon as you come to question number 29, if you want to answer, let us say the answer is house, submit it. Once submitted, now you are only left with these two last questions where you have to solve the question, you have to take the photograph, and then you have to upload. Let me check again. Clicking on next. Yes, all my options are saved. Coming to the last question, it is house. Again, it is saved. Now I can attempt these two questions. Thank you.